So hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Jack. If you haven't seen my face before, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big old thumbs up and turn on my post notifications if you're new. I'm vlogging on my iPhone, excuse me, because I actually lost the previous clip to, like, I guess because I say the next day in the next clip, like I'll be saying, so it's the next day, but I actually, like, lost the clip from the other day, so I can't find it. Like, I don't even know if it was on the SD card or not, because, like, maybe it just won't come off, maybe it's not, like, maybe it's just gone, because I didn't accidentally delete it or anything like that, so I just don't think it's on the SD card, period. I think it's just gone. But anyways, it wasn't anything super duper fun or important or anything like that, so let's just roll on to the next day and just continue on from there. So I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys continue to watch the video. So yeah, I'm vlogging on my iPhone. How's it look? So yeah. Hey everyone, it's actually the next day. It's snowing outside, and I'm going to get my iPhone repaired again. Yes, you might be saying again. Well, you might as well just get a new phone at this point. You may be right, because look at this thing. This, honestly. It's coming apart from the damn screen. And then when you go to turn it on, I'll use my Touch ID. And then it's on the home screen. But yeah, it freezes sometimes too, and basically the whole screen will freeze and then it will shut down unexpectedly. I'm pretty sure it's just a connecting issue between the screen and the battery and the processor and all that stuff and crap. So I gotta go get that fixed today. Let me tell you, honestly, I am so sick of having these issues. I don't want my phone to break. Like, I just don't, because the other phones are so expensive to upgrade to. Like, the iPhone 7 Plus is like $270 to upgrade and put it on like a $95 plan. Like, are you kidding me? I'm a student. Like, I can't afford to spend $95 a month on just a phone. Like, I'm already paying $60 a month and I only get a gig of data and I only get like basic things. So, you kidding me? I'm not spending $95. It's just a phone. Like, it's not, you know, incredible. It's not something that's gonna change my life. So yeah, I'm gonna get a quote and see how much this is gonna cost me. Brush all the snow off my car because, yeah, there's my car out there, covered in snow. Of course it is. So I gotta brush all that off, and then I'm gonna head down to the banana place and see how much they are going to charge me. It's just like, it's called the Banana Repair Store. I'm not really sure why, but they fix phones there, so I mean, I'm just gonna get a price and see how much it's gonna cost me. So yeah, we're gonna head down there and see. So yeah, like literally, just take a look at how much snow there is. Oh my god, it doesn't look like much, but holy crap, did we get ever tons of snow today and tonight, and like throughout the night we got so much snow. Honestly, like, it's gonna take me a while to brush all this off. So yeah, hopefully I can brush it off quickly and start driving. Sorry if there's a lot of fan noise in the background. I'm trying to like keep my windshield thawed, just not get tons of snow on it, because you know it's snowing a lot out. Anyways, I went into the Banana Repair Store and they wanted $230 to get that phone fixed. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go get a new phone, I think, to be honest with you. I'm gonna get some prices on some new phones. I'm gonna get prices on the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 6 and the 6S Plus to see which one I like the most and which one fits my budget the best. Because, to be honest with you, I'm not spending $210 to get this phone fixed, because it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it when I could get a brand new one for like maybe $50 more up front and then just start a new term with a new phone. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I will see you guys down there at the mall or wherever I'm going. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. And people are staring at me a lot because they like to look at vloggers a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna go down there and I will see you guys there. So I am currently in the mall. It's really empty in here today. I guess the snow is driving everybody away. But I went to go to get a price on the iPhone 7 Plus with the 128 gigabytes, and they want $280 up front on a $95 plan. So that's a lot of money, so I'm really not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I might do the 6S Plus. It just all depends on what I need. Yeah, I'm going to go get prices on that and see what phone I'm going to go get. Ladies and gentlemen, I spent a lot of money today. Like a lot of money. I'm crying on the inside thinking, like, what the hell have I done? In today's video, I'm here to show you my impulsive poor, disgusting purchase of almost $400. You may be wondering, why did you buy a new phone? Why do you need a new phone? Like, what's wrong with your old one? Like, why did you have to get a new one? Why did you have to splash out and spend $6,000 on a brand new spanking iPhone that you don't even need? Well, I will answer that question for you in this video. So this phone right here, oh, this poor little thing, this thing's been through some rough times. It's been through puddles, it's been through some really rough times, as you can probably tell. But I was walking, and yeah, it was in my pocket. Like, I didn't have, like, I had the case on and everything, and like, I went to bend down to like grab some change that I dropped on the ground. And like, this is a true story. And then like, I was wearing like tight fitting jeans, like I was wearing like skinny jeans, really skinny jeans. And I guess, I don't know, I guess this phone bent or something. I heard a crack inside my pocket and it like split from there. And I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? So I was like, and then I tried to use the screen and then it freezes like every so often, like the home screen will completely freeze. So I was on the phone the other day with an Apple representative saying, hey, my screen is freezing. What's going on? Why is it not working? Screen's not working. Why is it not working? Can you help me out here? Like, I don't know what's happening. So she's like, oh, we can get it in for repair. It's going to cost you $300. So I was like, are you kidding me? I could get a new phone for that. And you know what I did? I did exactly that. I got a new phone. And yes, you think I'm crazy. I got the iPhone 7 Plus because I could not afford the iPhone 8 Plus because I'm a broke human being, but yet I can afford a new phone. Honestly, you might think, oh, it's ridiculous, why not just keep using this phone? Honestly, it's not even usable. Like, it's like, you can use it for 3 minutes, and then the screen freezes, and then you have to hard restart it. You have to hard restart it every 3 minutes. Like, it's just not gonna work anymore, so it's just, like, I guess I'm just gonna, like, maybe use it as a travel phone. That way, like, I can put any, like, SIM card from around the world in it, and then I can just use it as a hotspot, and then use this phone for anything. So, yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. Anyways, getting on with what I was actually going to show you. So, here we are. The big reveal. Just packaging. Oh my god, my sweet baby child. Look at you. Oh my god. Like, I'm crying. Like, honestly, I spent so much money today. Oh, it's been an expensive day, let me tell you. Very expensive. Are you kidding me, Apple? Like, are you kidding me? Are you that cheap you can't even give me the plastic case anymore? Like, how much does that cost to make? Like, 6 cents? My god. I got a lightning cable, which is also nice to have as well, because this is a great unboxing. This is a great unboxing video. Like, I'm doing fantastic so far. I mean, like, that's what you get. You get a little tiny little dongle here for your thingy, because you don't have a headphone jack anymore. It's snowing outside and I'm broke. People are gonna say I'm crazy for buying a phone like this, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm crazy. People tell me I'm crazy, but I don't know if I believe them. Here, I got a pair of headphones here. What I'm thinking is my dilemma is just keep it clipped to this. Like, you're gonna listen to your phone, so just keep it clipped to this, because you're just going to use your headphones that way, I guess. So just keep it clipped to your headphones and you just won't have a problem. I mean, it is a pain to get apart and put back together again. It's not, like, easy, and it doesn't fit very snug, so I feel like they could have done a better job with this. But this is my dongle with my headphones, so, and they give you a pair of headphones for a lightning, so yeah, I'm kind of mad that they got rid of the headphone jack, but I mean, I guess we got advanced in this feature. So yeah, that's my phone. I'm gonna go set it up, back it up to iCloud, and like get all my stuff on here, and then cry because I have to look at my credit card and pay it. And yeah, wonder what's wrong with me and why don't I have self-control. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Turn on those post notifications, because not everybody gets notified when I post a new video. So make sure you hit that big red, no, it's not red, hit that bell button so you know when I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a good year. I hope you just are set for the whole entire year. 2018 is off to an okay start. We've had a few people that don't really like to post positive things on this platform, but we won't talk about that. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys very soon. Until then, bye guys.